Today's video would be relevant to most of the NRIs. If you are selling any property in India, then you need to know these tax rules. Sale of property in India is subject to capital gain. So technically, as a seller, you need to pay the tax on the sale, and simultaneously, the person who is buying from you is required to deduct TDS on the sale value. Now, what happens is the purchaser deducts the TDS on the gross sale value, and you are required to pay tax on the net of your capital gain amount. So that may cause mismatch. Your TDS deducted would be on higher side vis-a-vis your tax liability. So assuming that your TDS is deducted and you forget to file your return, or you opt not to file the return, then you end up paying the more tax to the government. You end up being in default for non-filing of the return, and same could invite the action from the income tax department as well. So you need to know the tax rule that whenever you are selling any Indian property, then you are obliged to file your income tax return showing your capital gain. You can claim the TDS as a credit against your tax liability, and if there is excess deductions, you can ask for the refund from the income tax department. There is another option of obtaining a lower rate certificate. So technically, whenever your tax liability is much lower than what is required to be deducted as TDS, then you can connect with your assessing officer and make a request for a lower rate tax deductions. Then your withholding will be at the lower rate, and you can end up paying less tax to the government. One more important point: traditionally, the tax rate on the capital gain, long-term capital gain, was 20% with indexation benefit. But now, with the Finance Act 2024, there has some changes has been made. The tax rate has been brought down to 12.5%, but without indexation benefit. So, if you are selling any property after the cutoff date of Finance Act 2024, then you have both the options. You can choose any of them with lowest tax liability. It's up to you. So, make a wise decision while filing your ITR form.